Today, let's make a complete run-through of an alternative AirCrete microhouse, tiny house, storage room, studio, bug-out location, rapid build shelter, hunting cabin, whatever you would want to call this. First, cut utility plywood into strips. Align these strips and then glue and secure them with screws. Lay this out on a level and packed ground to make your form. Secure the inner and the outer form with wooden stakes to a level position. Add rebar and fill this space with 5,000 psi cement. Bend EMT tubing to form arches. Then drill and screw a piece of wood that's level with the outside of the tubing. And on this, you'll place a sheet of utility plywood and secure it to the wood cross members. Stack and mortar your blocks to form an arch. And it's okay if they appear a little rough, because these can always and often are reshaped and made to look much more beautiful later. Build your round or rectangular forms. Build a foam one. Insert little keepers inside of the wand. Drill a hole for your air hole fitting and then glue a cap over this. Now pack your pipe with stainless steel wool and glue on the other cap. Insert your hose fittings and connect it to an air regulator and a water pump, which both come together in a T or a Y into a single line. Now measure your soap or foam agent. Turn on the Then weigh this in a 1 quart cup or a 1 liter cup. You should have 95 grams in this quart or liter. So adjust your air and your water accordingly. Add 6 gallons of water and 92 pounds of Portland cement into your mixing container. Turn on the foam and inflate the cement to 6 cubic feet. Scoop up your AirCrete into a bucket. Now pour your AirCrete into your form. Once this form is full, loosen your form and raise it up. Secure with screws and use foam to seal the bottom crack. Continue until you've reached the top, at which point you will add rebar and a final ring of 5,000 psi cement.
Let's face it, having an alternative building constructed for you can cost more than conventional construction, up to $250 per square feet. Building a 450 square foot house can cost as much as $90,000 to have a company build. Build it yourself and save $80,000. Do you want to build alternative homes for others as a professional? You could profit up to $70,000. The material of the building is immaterial. Slapping mud on a wall, ramming earth, stuffing a bag with dirt, or AirCrete. These skills can be learned in a day or two. The real skill begins when you are ready to make your tiny house functional. Electric, solar, air conditioning, plumbing, flooring, or alternative waste water management. This is where many people fail to finish their homes or pay large sums of money to hire skilled labor. Others fail in the planning or logistic stages. They buy the wrong land, underestimate cost, do not know how to hire and manage unskilled labor, or fail to connect infrastructure. This is why we now offer the Terlingua Alternative Building School. Beginner or experienced builder, come learn how to build a tiny house from scratch in far less time and expense than traditional paths of learning. You can learn and experience every skill you need. Now you can proceed with confidence to build the house and life of your dreams.
Apply a finish coat to the walls, roll on your reinforcing fabric, mist lightly with water, and work this cement through the fabric. Then apply a finish coat of acrylic cement to the top of this fabric. Set up a jig to hold your boards, rip 2x4s in half and lay out your boards and your braces. Glue and secure plywood squares onto the side of your truss. These trusses are very lightweight and yet very strong. I have placed as much as 500 pounds on a 10-foot span using one of these trusses, and it had very little deflection, and it certainly did not fail. Place your trusses on top of your AirCrete structure. Glue, nail, and clamp cross support boards between the trusses and leave them clamped overnight to dry. Now attach 2x4s crossways as your purlins. You'll use this to secure your sheet metal. As you see here, this truss system is very strong. Make metal brackets. Now take a hammer drill and set anchors into the cement and then secure your trusses. Do this at each and every point that a truss crosses the wall. Attach your metal roofing and then staple and stretch fabric over the opening and apply more acrylic cement and work it into the fabric. This forms your waterproof, windproof siding. Using urethane construction adhesive, glue strips of utility plywood to the AirCrete and secure with screws or nails until dry. Continue to add layers of wood until you reach a door frame thickness of 3/4 to 1 inch thick. You can use screws or just use brad nails to hold the wood down and make good contact until the glue dries. Once finished, you have a laminate wood door frame. So mark out your custom shape onto a piece of thin plywood and make a strong 2x4 or 2x6 wooden frame to go inside of the door. Mark the lumber, rough cut it with a saw near the lines, and then using a sander, smooth it out and bring it up to the line. Glue the boards to the plywood. Again, sand until you have the perfect fit. The door is then flipped over and a foam board is inserted for insulation, and your final piece of wood is glued on top of that. With the door assembled, sand off any glue and make any final adjustments to the door shape with the sander. Cut 2 1 1/4 inch strips of plywood to use as your doorstop. Set the depth of your skill saw to not more than 1/3 of the thickness of the wood. To make this 1 1/4 strip flexible enough to fit into any arch shape, simply cut slices out of the back side of it. Then your cut strip is simply placed onto your arch and pressed into place. Apply wood glue and shoot brad nails to hold it. Put down a wood flooring, cut out the shapes to match the edge of the building and the doorway, and install your laminate flooring. Install a bed frame, plugs, switches, and thermostat. Paint with elastomer stucco paint. Attach a window unit that has been converted into a package unit for a nice, quiet, and also cheap air conditioning system. See our other videos for details. And in the end, what you wind up with is this nice, beautiful little micro house, tiny house, bug out location, or studio with a custom door and a very cozy interior. It could, of course, be absolutely any size, but this is a little structure that costs under $1,000 or about $20 per square foot. And of course, the price per square foot does drop as the size of the structure increases. The space to money efficiency is just simply better in larger structures. But still, this can be a great way to leave behind the rental life. It basically costs what our local cable company would charge you for 16 months of cable TV. In addition to a low-cost, insulated, cozy structure, one person is able to build this little structure in as little as 10 days. And it doesn't matter what your skill level is. It just requires commitment. You could build on a cheap, tiny lot on the outskirts of populated areas. Or if you have no land, I have known people that build these on relatives' property or on friends' property. They live there for a year or a longer period of time in which they save money. And at the end of the arrangement, the friends or the family members get a free storage shed or small studio. And of course, you get low-cost living and time to prepare to buy your ideal land and build your ideal house. Now, these small structures, often under 400 square feet, are very often exempt from building permits or are very easy to obtain building permits for. If this kind of thing interests you, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, as well as go to tinygiantlife.biz or click the link below in the description and join our email list for free information, education, and discounts and special offers, as well as webinars. Also, the full version of this video will soon be available in the online AirCrete course, so click the link below in the description to find out more.